Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Grand app feeling glitchy or taking a long time to actually finish loading? Here's a confirmed complaint about the app, and here's the fix. First, open any web browser on your phone and load the website just to confirm your internet connection is actually working well. Since a glitchy loading experience is very often tied to connection speed rather than the app itself, then go to your settings and toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds, then turn it back off, which fully resets your network connection and clears the stale session. Force close the Grant app completely from your recent app list. Then go ahead and reopen it fresh on that reset connection. If it's still glitchy or slow, go to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage, scroll down to the list of apps and look for the Grant tab, tap on it and then tap offload app. After offloading it, go to the app store and search for the Grant app, tap on it and then tap get to reinstall it fresh from the app store. After reinstalling, go ahead and check your settings app, then go back to general, then go to software update and install any pending iOS and make sure that it is current. So all you've got to do is confirm your connection, reset with airplane mode, force close and reopen, then offload and reinstall if it proceeds. Grant loads normally or smoothly, and that's it. Subscribe.